Buenas and Hafade, Manya Nahud and Manya Luhu, si Pete Santos. E feta Pagunahani e dia 25 de março de sacan 2025. Za agupa sempre guahano no English holiday. Zesti na holiday Memorial Day. Zabe fino English pago. Tomorrow is Memorial Day. But for many of us who have lost comrades in battle, who have fought besides them and returned home without them, Memorial Day could be any day of the year. Memorial Day could be any moment, because the memory of our lost comrades can hit us at any time, can come into our thoughts and into our hearts, and we never really fully recover from that loss. We honor their memory, we honor their service, we honor their lives. We may have not been related by blood, but we bonded in purpose and in mission, and our lives will forever be different and special because of them. And for those of us who have lost comrades, Memorial Day hits differently. It has much more meaning and significance. But we remember them all throughout the year, especially during Memorial Day, but also during holidays that we spend with our family and with our loved ones. And we think about their families who are missing them and don't have them to hold and to talk to and to share those special moments anymore. And their memory lives on in their family and in those of us who served alongside them. And like I said, it could hit at any time, any day, anywhere. Whenever I think of my time, one of the things that haunts me is what they call the ramp ceremony. And we did it a couple times a week, and you never knew when that procession happens. You never knew whether it was going to be 1 or 2 or 30. And whatever we were doing, we dropped what we were doing, we stopped what we were doing, and we went out to that runway and we listened to hear about the 19-year-old boy from Kansas City, or the 43-year-old father and grandfather from Louisiana, And many times I ask myself, for what? For why? Why are we sending our people to die? For what? For what reason? But those questions are not ever going to be answered. For those who have ever put on a uniform and served, you took an oath to follow the orders of your commanders, of your political leaders, and you followed that oath. And you obeyed the commands. And you served and you defended your country. And sometimes our brothers and sisters paid the ultimate sacrifice. And they are the true heroes. They say some gave all, and all gave some. And that is an honor that can never be taken away. And so this Memorial Day, remember those who paid the ultimate price so that you and I and all our family and friends can live in peace and in freedom. Every year, this day comes around, but it's not just this day for a lot of people that hits us. It could be any day and any moment. For me, I'm grateful. I'm grateful to my brothers and sisters who I served alongside, fought alongside. And I grieve and I mourn for them and for their families. And we should all be thankful and appreciative and grateful for those who paid that ultimate price so that we may live in peace and freedom. Jesus Masi.